Acura RLX repair cost. Acura is the luxury and performance division of Honda Motor Company. The brand was launched in the United States and Canada on March 27, 1986, marketing luxury and performance automobiles. The 2018 Acura RLX is a luxury sedan that offers a combination of comfort, advanced technology, and a refined driving experience. Here are some key features and highlights of the 2018 Acura RLX. Routine service for an Acura RLX involves regular maintenance tasks to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance and longevity. While specific service intervals and requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, driving conditions, and individual vehicle history. Here are some general guidelines for Acura RLX service. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to maintain engine health. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals and use the recommended oil type. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, coolant, and differential fluid. Brake service. Inspect and replace brake pads and rotors as needed. Ensure proper brake fluid levels and consider a brake fluid flush as recommended. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and tread depth. Replace tires when they are worn or damaged. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to ensure proper airflow to the engine. Cabin air filter replacement. Replace the cabin air filter to maintain air quality inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for spark plug replacement. The interval may vary depending on the engine type. Suspension and alignment. Regularly inspect the suspension components and perform a wheel alignment if necessary to ensure optimal handling and tire wear. Exhaust system inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks or damage. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion. Secure mounting, and check the battery's charge. Replace the battery if needed. Drive belts. Inspect drive belts for wear and proper tension. Replace belts as recommended. Cooling system maintenance. Inspect the radiator, hoses, and thermostat. Flush and replace the coolant at the recommended intervals. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software and control modules up to date by checking for and applying any available updates. For specific service intervals and procedures, it is crucial to refer to the Acura RLX Owner's Manual and consult with authorized Acura service professionals. Following the manufacturer's recommendations helps ensure that the vehicle remains in optimal condition.